You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this music festival in Grant Park, Chicago. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary names from music celebrities, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Lollapalooza. Lolla, now in British English should be Lola, but in America it's pronounced Lollapalooza. How to pronounce English pronunciation: Lollapalooza Festival, Chicago. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.